Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. I want to basically and officially introduce myself to you lovelies, and if this is your first time coming across this channel, please do well to click on the subscribe button. I promise you it won't cost anything. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. You are the best. I love you guys. Please do well to stay with me to the end of this video. I promise you won't regret spending time with me here. Alright, so let's get into today's business. My name is Ifena Francisca, and in this channel, we talk about skills, be it online skill or be it hand skill. You learn, you develop, and you earn with your skills. I believe this is not the first time you're hearing about skills, but just in case you don't know what skill is all about, it is actually the ability to do something very well. Either you are being trained or you learned it on your own will. There are different reasons why different people need skill. Some people need skill to add it to their 9 to 5 job, at least to have an extra income. Why some people learn the skill in order to become the boss of their own. Whichever way it might be, skill is very important to every human lives. Now, there are some people that are very good in something and are not using it to earn. So while talking about skill, we are going to be talking about the reasons why they don't turn that skill into an income. Looking at our economy these days, especially in this country called Nigeria, a lot of people have begun to understand that, oh, my certificates will actually get me this job, but it will not give me the satisfaction or passion that I need while working in this particular space. So while working in such space, they decide to learn one or two skills or improve in the already known skills that they have. There are challenges people faces why they could not turn their skills to be able to yield income or money for them. Now, these are the challenges, and I'm going to also tell you how you're going to deal with those challenges. So, if you're one of those people that you know that you have ability to do something to be almost perfect, but you don't know how to go about it because you're either scared or whatsoever, in this video, I'm going to tell you how you are going to deal with those challenges so that you could be able to make money with your skill. So one of the challenges that could make people not to turn their skill to yield money for them is one, self-doubt. You might be doubting yourself, oh, what will this person say? God, if I should start this now, I don't think I'm going to meet up with demands. I don't think that my product will serve any customers very well the way the customer wants it. You don't believe in yourself, and therefore you cannot be able to turn your skill to give you money because you believe that what you just did is only meant for you or only your family consumption, or nobody can actually see that this particular thing that I did will actually serve the public. Number two of the challenges that make people not to realize that their skill can actually fetch them money is fear of failure. Actually, fear is the number one thing that can make you fail in anything that you want to do. For you to be able to render your services or to showcase your skill outside them, you have to eliminate fear in your life. You are afraid, okay, what if I start? Am I going to continue with this? Then what if you start and you're able to move forward? What if you start and you actually succeed in this thing? What if you start and people actually knows you for what you do? You never thought of that. The third thing that people actually see that needs to be there before you can able to showcase your skill outside, which actually kills the skill, is trying to be perfect. This particular thing deals with a lot of people. Most people want to be perfect so that people don't judge their goods. Okay, so let me ask you one question. How would you know that your product is perfect if you don't take it outside and get the reviews from your customers or your clients? Deliver your best, serve it out, and let people give you their review or their response concerning that. Then you know how to adjust, what to add, and what not to add. Now, how do you turn your skill into money? Now you have to identify your strength. What is that thing that you like? Once you start, you see the motivation to go further. Once you start, you see the need to always want to continue. Consider it your passion, you can consider it your hobby, it can be an entertainment, production, services, and the rest of them. You can check it out. So once you're able to do that, listen to your people outside, listen to your viewers, listen to your customers. Those people like this thing. Are they asking questions? Because the more they're asking questions and the more they want to know about it, it actually gives you the room to make a research about the stuff and also improve in your skills. Do you understand? Yes, auntie. Build an online presence to showcase your expertise. Now we are in the world of social media. You can meet clients, customers of different styles and caliber that you can actually render your services to, or you can preach to them what your business is all about. So these are the way you can turn your skill into money for you. If you're a female, you have the skill you want to learn, but you don't have money, you don't have anyone who is going to sponsor you, don't worry. I have this online app that you will learn how to make money from it using your data and your smartphone. So, as a female, please, if you're interested in knowing this app, click the link in the description box, fill in the details with your information, and then chat me up with the number you will see in the description box and tell me to put you through that you are from the YouTube. I will guide you step by step on how to make money on this app. Now, if this video is very helpful to you, please, you can ask me more questions about skills. Any questions you have to ask about skills, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll answer you. And please do well to click on the subscribe button. I beg of you. See you in my next video. Bye.